Hello everybody, here's Sebastian, and for those of you that are new to my channel, I want to invite you, if you find the information in this video useful, hit the like button and make sure you subscribe so you don't lose or you don't miss out in any of my content. And today I want to talk about something very important, and this video is for realtors. And this is the exact formula that you should be following if you want to be wealthy in real estate. So make sure that you pay attention and stay tuned. This is going to be a very short video, but the information is going to be super important for you if you want to take control of your career and make real estate a successful career for you. Now, with this being said, we have to make sure and we have to consider the fact that there's only too many areas that we need to focus on, and one of those areas is marketing and the other one is sales. But how do you market yourself when you're starting in real estate? So the first thing, and one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of agents do, is that they spread themselves out too wide. What you should be doing instead is you should be focusing on one specific area, one zip code, because remember that it's always better to be a large fish in a small pond than being a small fish in a large pond. So as I mentioned before, we do have the potential of making a lot of money, but then what are you going to do with that money? You're going to invest it in real estate, because every time you sell a property, you sell a house, you get that commission. But in order to see more money and get another commission check, you need to sell another property, which at the end of the day translates into doing more work. But how can we do it in a way that we can start building income streams, passive income streams? Well, we're going to take the money and we're going to invest it in real estate. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to start marketing yourself in one specific area to those houses, the sellers of those houses. You're going to start selling yourself as the person who knows the area, the local expert, and you're going to help them sell their houses. But at the same time, in the same area, you're going to start marketing yourself as an investor who buys houses that need some work, ugly houses, outdated houses, even absentee owner houses. And that way, you're gonna start building your reputation as an investor at the same time as you're gonna be building it as a real estate agent. So you're making a lot of money through commissions, and then you're using that money to buy a lot of properties in the same area, and then that's how you start building a good or a large portfolio of properties that are going to start giving you income streams for the long run. Because remember, every time we sell a houses, we need to put in more work to sell the next house. But as you have properties bringing you income, that's when you start building a successful real estate business. Remember, we are business owners, so you have to start taking action right now and start thinking as a business owner. So if this information was useful, I said I was gonna make this video very short. I just want to leave the information right there. But if you find it useful, make sure you click the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you share this information with someone who is considering to be a realtor and wants to have their feet started in real estate and want to have a little bit more information. This tip might help them, so make sure you share, and I'll see you in the next one.